The SmartFlow team is committed to giving you dedicated customer service. If you are having any problems with your account or SmartFlow sheet itself, please go to our support page first. The answer to your question may already be found in our frequently asked questions section. Be sure to search here first. If your problem cannot be resolved through the frequently asked questions section, go ahead and create a new support ticket. Be sure to create this ticket as soon as the problem arises. Be sure to include your name and the email account that is associated with your SmartFlow account. Also, please be descriptive as possible and include any pictures that will help the SmartFlow team. You can also submit a ticket directly from this page here. If you are having problems through the app on the iPad, please be sure to click here. This will send us a problem report and include the last 15 minutes of activity from the specific iPad. Again, it's very important that when you have a problem, you submit a ticket as soon as possible. Our SmartFlow team is here around the clock to help get all of your questions answered.